Imagine a reality where 30 seconds in deep space equal a full year on Earth, and where time itself can bend, stretch, and take shape. What modern science is discovering today was already encoded in ancient wisdom centuries ago. Einstein told the world that time is a created thing. It is not the same throughout the universe. In some places, it can expand. In others, it can contract. In some locations, it can move faster. And in others, much more slowly. But the most astonishing revelation.
But how is all of this possible? Time that expands and contracts, time that races in some places and crawls in others. To prove this theory, scientists developed a special clock instead of using ordinary ones. This device is called an atomic clock because instead of hands, it uses an atom of a metal called cesium. Why cesium specifically?
Because cesium is a metal whose atom vibrates at a perfectly constant speed, without any deviation whatsoever. There is not even the slightest variance in its vibration frequency. Scientists measured it using precise electronic equipment and discovered that in just 1 second, this atom vibrated 9.19 billion times. 9.19 billion times in a single second.
The human mind cannot even imagine that speed. And it is so precise that if you leave a cesium atom undisturbed, its vibrational speed would not change even over 150 million years. Using the cesium atom, scientists constructed 2 identical clocks and perfectly synchronized them with one another. Then they kept one clock inside a laboratory on Earth.
The other clock was sent up into space, and then they made a staggering discovery. The clock in space had suddenly started running faster. This meant that something up there in space was causing time to speed up. This famous experiment proved that time does not pass at a uniform rate throughout the universe. In some places, it moves faster.
In other places, it moves slower. Later, many more experiments were conducted. It has now been established that time currently passes most slowly near black holes. Meanwhile, the fastest time currently exists inside the Boody's Void. The Boody's Void is the name of a vast, remote region far away in the sky to the west. There, no planet exists, no star, no galaxy, and no light. According to theoretical physics, time would be passing fastest there. Time would pass so quickly that what we experience here on Earth in 1 full year would elapse there in just 30 seconds. But is that truly the first discovery of this phenomenon? Did Einstein really uncover this for the first time?
The answer is no. This astonishing insight had already appeared in the Holy Quran, centuries before Einstein. Notice that in the Holy Quran, there is not just one word for time. There are 4 distinct words, and each of them carries a profoundly different meaning. The first word is waqt, used for a fixed or appointed time, such as the time for prayer.
Then there is asr, which denotes time that is passing extremely quickly. Its literal meaning is to squeeze. From the same root comes the word asir, meaning squeezed juice. So asr is time passing with extreme velocity. Then there is heen. This word is still used in Arab countries today, as in al-heen, meaning right now, this very moment. And then there is dar,
Dar represents the largest and broadest form of time. It is a very long span of time that passes extremely slowly, an eternal time, an unlimited age. It is a duration stretching from beginning to end. It is this very time that is mentioned in the first verse of Surah Ad-Dar. Has there not come upon man a moment within Dar when he was not a thing even worth mentioning? From the atomic precision of cesium to the endless expanse of the Boötes void, time remains one of the universe's greatest mysteries. As science slowly catches up to ancient revelations, one question lingers. What other secret dimensions of time are still waiting to be uncovered?
Before we dig deeper, smash that subscribe button for daily unexplained mysteries. It takes less than a second,